Hi everyone, this is the final episode of the tutorial of how to get started using the AnyMerge Docs add-on, and we are going to adjust the output configuration. So we need to go again to the sheet configuration screen. In the previous episode we set up the mapping, and the last step which is needed to configure the sheet is adjust the output configuration. So open the configuration editor. Here in the editor we can adjust a bunch of output settings. The only required one is the document name. Here we need to tell the add-on which column values will be served as a file names. Yeah, so the add-on needs to know how to name the generated documents. So here we can choose from a column. So in this case, I would like to have the file's name by their title. So here, as you can see, the first file will be named The Old Man and the Sea. The second one, Tortilla Flat, RUR, and so on. There are a few other options here. You can choose if you would like to convert the document into PDF, or insert the URL of the document into a column, or insert a timestamp once the document is created. But I'm gonna be covering this in a separate tutorial. Just so for now, just let's close the editor. Yeah, and basically that's it. We configure the sheet books. So we set the output folder. Yeah, files will be saved in the books folder. We created a template and we loaded the template. Then we provided a mapping between the template merge fields and columns in our spreadsheet. And finally, now we adjusted the output configuration. Now the add-on is ready to process the data, so we can go back and just hit the generate button, and add-on will crunch the data. Yeah, we'll go row by row, and for each row we'll create using the template and the mapping. We'll do all the magic and we'll create 4 documents in our drive folder. Yeah, and there is one last thing I would like to highlight, and is that once you configure, yeah, the sheet, you don't have to do it over and over again. Yeah, the add-on saves all settings you configure here on the sheet configuration screen are saved for the sheet you are configuring. And once you reopen the add-on and you switch to the sheet again, add-on automatically restores all that configuration. Yeah, so it restores the folder, template, mapping, and output configuration. Let me show you. I close the add-on, I reopen the add-on, and all that configuration is going to be restored, because the add-on was designed from the ground to be simply a single click merge tool. What does it mean? So once you configure the sheet, then all you have to do, you just add data what you would like to process, or the data might be coming from a different channel like from Google Forms and so on, and you just hit the generate button and you are done, and the add-on will do the heavy duty work for you. So as you can see, everything was restored, and you can simply hit the generate button and we can start processing the sheet data. Thank you for watching and happy merging.